Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here with a few things in it to show you. I know you're going to be like, oh, what's Mindy doing? What's Mindy doing? Well, okay, they really wanted me to show some things. And so I was like, okay, but I have a friend who's really into this, and I was like, okay, you can make me some stuff. Because I'm not probably going to make them, honestly. So this is from VIP Crossstitch. Anyhow, yeah, I may do a small cross stitch at some point, like maybe something small like this. Let me show you the few things that I got. So they have different things. They have like some beaded cross stitch, which I'm into the beaded. I'll do the beaded cross stitch. I really need to finish the one I have going, but I'm into the beaded cross stitch. I will do that. They have a few like full beaded cross stitch items. They have some of the keychain items, things like that. They have stamped cross stitch. They have counted cross stitch. They have different things. So it's VIP cross stitch. So this is something that I thought was kind of cute and a little different. They are bookmarks. All right. So this appears to be like a plastic. Yep. This is a plastic. It's not cloth. So, there you have that. So there's your two, things. What is this? What in the world is this for? I have no idea. It's a, what? I don't know what this is for. Do you know what this is for? It looks like it's a pen. What in the world? I have no idea. Here's a needle and here's one tassel. Do we have another tassel anywhere? No, one tassel. Okay, our patterns are on here. Patterns on the back. Okay, so we can do two. One gets a tassel. I have no idea what this is for. No clue. Anybody know? Not a clue. All right. And then here is all of our thread for our project to make the bookmarks. I'm not going to take this off. It's all wrapped around here nicely. Those are your colors. And you can see what the picture is going to be. They're little monsters. Okay? So they're both supposed to get a tassel, but we're missing a tassel. Okay. All right. Well, that is that project. All right. I just wondered if there was a tassel mixed in somewhere, but I don't seem to see it anywhere. No, I don't think it would be in there. No tassel in there. Maybe you'd have enough thread left over. You can make your own tassel. I don't know. Okay. Let me know if you have any idea what this is for. Because I don't have a clue what that's for. No idea. No idea. Okay. All right. Well, there's the first item that I got. Okay. Next item. Okay. This is the one for my friend. This is the one my friend saw. I said, go look, go look and see if there's something that you like. How do we get into it? Like this. Okay, they come in nice zippy bags, which is cool. And on the back of the bag, okay, come on. Come out. I'll probably never get it back in, will I? Okay, on the back of the bag is instruction, how to choose your strands, how to choose your color, the printed cloth, all of your directions, your stitches, ironing it, finishing it, all of that stuff, okay? So this is what, no, that's not what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like this. This is a Joy Sunday kit, a Joy Sunday cross stitch. And this is what it looks like. It's Merry Christmas and it's owls. I was like, okay, cool. You want to make that? You go ahead. So I really got it for somebody else. Anyhow, isn't it cute? Super cute. Here is all of your colors, all your codes for your colors. This is your pattern. Okay, there's the pattern. Oh, lots of, like 3 pages of pattern. Okay. So that's the pattern you follow. And then here is the stamped Aida cloth. I know that's Aida cloth. So you have to remember when you see these will not be these colors, okay? That is just the color it's showing you for the thread, but the thread will not be pink. okay? That thread is actually 666. See, the pink is 666, so it'll be red. We know that. So it's just to help you, you know, be able to see the differentiation between the colors, and you have to follow the symbols down here. So here's the actual colors. See, it's not pinks and greens, really, it's not. But here's the colors, golds and blues, browns, and they're all nicely wrapped on here. And here is your needles, 2 needles in there. See, they're nicely tucked in there in a bag, and everything is numbered on the card. So number 1, so look, number 1 is pink, right? But the symbol for number 1 is actually this green, like whatever that thing is. So it actually goes right here. So that green is actually going to be pink. So you see how it goes. And then apparently this stuff washes off. This ink will wash off when you're done with the project. So you don't even see that ink behind the threads. But it's super cute, isn't it? Super, super cute. All right, so that's the second item. And that will go to my friend. And yeah, you have fun doing that. All right, so this is one, if I was going to do a cross stitch, this is one that I would do. I have done cross stitch, you guys. I have plenty of cross stitch projects in my basement. Problem with the cross stitch projects I've done is I've done the little motif or the little whatever, and then done nothing with it. You know what I mean? They're just downstairs in a bag. I think I showed them at one point in a video. I think I got out my cross stitch stuff and showed it. They're just the fabric and the print is there, and I never did anything with it. What do you do with them? I don't know. But this one is a Lighthouse, which I thought was really pretty. Pre-printed fabric and dispensable chart reading. Dispensable chart reading. Don't know what that means. Do you know what that means? Ecology cotton floss. But this would be one that I would do. Okay, here's your chart again, pattern. Oh, like, ooh, 2 pages, 4 pages, that's all pattern. I know we're not supposed to show you the pattern, I guess. But there's the pattern. Here's all of your threads. Oh, this one has a lot. This one's big. Ooh, look at all those. Look at all of those. Okay, so this is a double, see, double, look. Oof. Can you tell? Look at all them threads. See, look, hang on. Woo, two-sided thread thing. 45 colors? Really? Huh. Oh, no, wait, hang on. Look, okay, that's a separate piece right there. Holy cow. So this goes up to 30, okay, 37 colors. Okay, lots of thread. Okay, there's all your threads. All right, very pretty colors. So look at all of them. Look at all the pretty colors. I love it. Okay, and there's the needles. I'm gonna try to wind these back up. Okay, rolling. They're very pretty. Look at all the color. Oranges, pinks, greens, and purples. Very nice. Okay, let's roll them back on here. And here is the canvas. It's big though. Oh my gosh, it's big. This might be more than I could tackle. I don't know if I've done any. Well, I did do one thing that was this big. It was a baby sampler I did for my daughter. Yeah. But here's all of your symbols down here. You do have the pattern to follow on paper as well, if any of this is confusing, right? But there you have it. There's the boat, the lighthouse, there's a birdhouse. This is what it'll look like, right? All the flowers down here. See, these are the true colors it will be. The blue water, orange and yellow flowers over here, not pinks and purples, right? And then the trees are peach kind of shades. And the lighthouse will be white, not blue. So anyhow, that is what I got from Joy Sunday. Someday, if I get ambitious, I might attempt that. I'm not going down the cross stitch path. I'm not. I've been there. I've done that. But, you know, maybe someday if I'm bored, I'll go, you know, let me just pack away a little bit. We'll see. Anyhow, that is what I got from VIP Cross Stitch. 2 cross stitches, and then the little bookmarks, which unfortunately is not really a complete kit. And we have the mystery red pen item thing. No clue. Not a clue. I don't know what it's for. Does it come out? Is it ink? Yes, it's ink. But why? Can you tell me why? Why do I need an ink cartridge? It's like for a refill or something. I don't know. Is it a mistake? Let me know. Okay. All right. Thanks, everybody. For all you cross stitchers out there, there you go. I got it for you. That's what I did. I got it for you. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.